Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Oven Recipes, and in my initial review of the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle, I did a fried egg, but I didn't really do it quite right. I wanted to show you how you can do toast and fried eggs at the same time in the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Grill and Griddle, and it turned out really nice, and it's really simple to do. So just wanted to show you real quick, and so let's get cooking right now. Alright, so here I have one slice of my almond flour whole wheat bread straight out the fridge, so it's kind of cold. I've got 1 tablespoon of butter, and basically to melt butter you can put it in a ramekin, put it in here on the lowest setting for like bake for about maybe 3 minutes, and you'll get some melted butter. And I've got 2 large eggs. These are pasture raised eggs. In my health tips and cooking myths video I mentioned cage-free eggs by accident. I meant to say local farmer pasture raised eggs, just came out wrong, but 2 pasture raised eggs there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get the cooker set up so it can start preheating. And so I switch to the barbecue griddle and I hit temp, and I take temp down to 350. For time, I'm going to take time all the way down to just 4 minutes, just 4 minutes. And so we're down to 350, and going to go ahead and start that, let things start preheating. While things are in the process of preheating, I'm going to get the butter all over one side of my bread. And once things are done preheating, I'll use the extra light olive oil here, which has a high smoke point, to spray down the side that the eggs will be on, just to help things be really nice and non-stick, even though it is a non-stick surface. But I'll bring you back when the preheating is done. Alright, things are all preheated, so I open up and take my oil, spray it over on this side where I'll have my eggs. Gonna take the toast, throw it over here, butter side down, put my eggs right there like so, close up. I'll bring you back in 4 minutes. We're all done, and as you see from the time-lapse video, I did not touch a thing. So I'm going to get the toast off of here, and you can see how nicely toasted it is on the side that the butter was on. Other side stays basically clean. And I'm going to cut this in half because these slices are so large. I just use basically 1 slice cut in half for my sandwiches. And get the eggs off here. And you can see that the yolks are still not hard. So you could go, maybe a minute or 2 longer if you wanted it hard on the yolk, but I like to leave the yolk, a little runny there. But we'll do a quick taste test of this egg sandwich. So thank God for some eggs and toast, and let's do a taste. I've already got some yolk kind of running off there. I could have waited a moment for that to cool down a little bit. Also could have used some water. But the sandwich is good. It's always good. I make these all the time. Great. So just wanted to show you. And in the video description there are lots of ways to help the channel. My cookbook. There's basically merch. You can make donations. You can membership. All that good stuff. Also there'll be a link to a printable version of the recipe. And you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.